Coffee drinkers fall into two camps: those who just need caffeine fast, and those who treat every cup like an art form. In 2025, drip coffee makers bridge that gap, giving you convenience and flavor that rivals pour over or cafe brews. We spent weeks brewing with 5 of the best drip machines on the market. From futuristic all-in-one brewers to compact daily workhorses, here's what stood out. If you want a drip machine that feels like a barista built it for you, the xBloom Studio is it. This thing has an integrated grinder, a built-in scale, and 3 levels of automation. That means you can go fully hands-off, toss in beans, press a button, or dial in grind size, water flow, and brew temperature manually if you're a coffee nerd. In our testing, it brewed cups with exceptional clarity and balance, rivaling hand-poured methods. I brewed a light roast and the citrus notes actually came through, which rarely happens in cheaper drip machines. The only catch? It's pricey, and it takes up more counter space than a basic drip maker. But if you're serious about your coffee, this is the closest you'll get to cafe quality at home in one machine. Perfect for coffee enthusiasts, prosumers, or anyone who wants total control without juggling separate grinders and scales. The fellow Aiden combines gorgeous design with serious brewing chops. It's got a sleek modern look, a thermal carafe that keeps coffee hot for hours, and precision brewing features like temperature stability, bloom cycle, and adjustable capacity from single serve to 10 cups. I tested it back-to-back against a pour-over, and the Aiden's bloom cycle gave my medium roast a deeper body than most drip machines can manage. Plus, it was consistent cup after cup. No sourness, no over-extraction. And honestly, it looks so good on the counter that I had friends ask if it was some kind of art piece. Best for style-conscious coffee drinkers who want both aesthetics and cafe-quality brewing. The Ratio 6 Series 2 is like having a barista automate your morning. Its bloom and brew cycle replicates a pour-over, letting coffee degaz before extraction, which gave me fuller flavor and smoother finishes compared to budget drip machines. It brews anywhere from 2 to 8 cups, and the stainless steel build feels premium. In my week of testing, I noticed that the flavor extraction leaned balanced, bold enough for darker roasts, but still bringing clarity to lighter ones. It doesn't have fancy app controls or built-in grinders, but it nails the fundamentals beautifully. Best for people who want pour-over flavor without the fuss of doing it manually. The Braun Brewsense is the most straightforward of the bunch. No app, no futuristic design, just solid, dependable coffee. The 24-hour programmable timer meant I woke up to a fresh pot every morning, and the brew quality was surprisingly consistent. It wasn't as nuanced as the xBloom or Ratio, but it was smooth, not bitter, and just what you want when you're half asleep and need caffeine now. It's also compact, so it fits easily under cabinets, something the larger machines struggle with. Best for families or everyday coffee drinkers who value reliability, affordability, and a simple morning routine. The Zojirushi Zutto is a hidden gem. At 5 cups, it's not built for large families, but for singles, couples, or small spaces, it's fantastic. It brewed clean, flavorful coffee thanks to Zojirushi's precise heating system. The removable water reservoir made filling and cleaning easy, and the design is compact enough for dorms, offices, or apartments. During testing, I found it perfect for midday brews, fast, efficient, and no wasted coffee. Best for students, small households, or anyone short on counter space who still wants a quality cup. So those are the best drip coffee makers of 2025. If you're chasing cafe-level precision, go for the xBloom or Ratio 6. If design matters, the fellow Aiden is stunning. For everyday brewing, Braun is rock solid. And for compact, no-waste coffee, Zojirushi is your best bet. We've linked the best prices in the description below. Which one do you see sitting on your counter? Drop your pick in the comments and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more real-world reviews. Your next cup of coffee might just be your best yet.